Welcome to the ultimate smartphone showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In a market overflowing with technological advancements, discerning the ideal flagship device can be a daunting task. Get ready to uncover the unique attributes and features that set these two titans apart. The design and build quality. We examine design, display, performance, and camera capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out with its sleek Gorilla Glass Victus and an eye-catching aluminum edges and ultra-thin bezels, a modern work of art, a futuristic allure. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max embodies sophistication. Forged with ceramic shield and stainless steel. The flat-edged industrial design provides durability while retaining a premium appearance. If you're drawn to innovations in design, the S25 Ultra pulls ahead, but those valuing a robust and timeless aesthetic may find the iPhone 16 Pro Max irresistible. Samsung fans will appreciate the Galaxy S25 Ultra's expansive 9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, boasting a breathtaking 3200x1440
This top-tier
resolution
display is a
haven for
120
Hz adaptive
enthusiasts.
refresh rate. On the flip side, the iPhone 16 Pro Max dishes out exquisite visuals through its 7-inch Super Retina XDR display, also featuring a stellar ProMotion 120 Hz refresh rate. Apple's attention to color accuracy and exceptional brightness makes the viewing experience a delight. Larger and sharper, Samsung is your ally. Prefer consistent color fidelity? The iPhone emerges as a strong contender. The Galaxy S25 Ultra without assessing powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 comes armed with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, ensuring multitasking prowess and efficient gaming performance. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro Max wields Apple's A17 Bionic chip, raw power, lauded for its phenomenal efficiency and speed, while Apple wins on efficiency with just 8GB of RAM. Finally, iOS optimization means lightning-fast performance for everyday use. Many smartphone users. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra excels with its quad camera array. The versatility featuring of this a remarkable 200 enables photographers to unleash their periscope telephoto across various environments, space zoom, and an ultra-wide lens designed to capture stunning landscapes. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a robust camera system as well, with advanced computational photography capabilities that enhance image quality and detail. Whether opting for Samsung's diverse features or Apple's cutting-edge software optimization, users will find exceptional photography results from either device.